Hi guys, my name is Stevani Olivia. I'm from the morning class. In this video, we will discuss the meaning of morphemes and types of morphemes. Now, I will explain the meaning of morphemes. Called morphemes are the small finite things of form that bear meaning or have a grammatical function. A morpheme can be defined as a minimal unit having more or less constant meaning and more or less constant form. For example, Limit says that the word buyer is made of three morphemes, by plus cr plus s. The evidence for this is that each can occur in other combination of morphemes changing its meaning.
Hello, my name is Alia Regina Putriani. I will explain about free morpheme and bound morpheme. Free morpheme is a word that can stand alone and has the potential to form words. This free morpheme divided into two parts, namely the lexical morphemes and the functional morphemes. Lexical morpheme. This morpheme can accept both suffix and affixes. Hums. Hum plus the suffix s becomes hums. Antid. Td plus the prefix an becomes antid. Endanger. Danger plus the prefix n becomes endanger. Smartly. Smart plus the suffix ly becomes smartly. Functional morpheme. This morpheme cannot accept affixes such as preposition, at, on, in. Pronoun I, you, they, we, he, she, it. Conjunction and or but. Article a and the. Bound morpheme is a morpheme that cannot stand alone. It also does not have potential to form words, but has the potential to form affixes. Bound morpheme is divided into two, namely derivational morpheme and inflectional morpheme. Derivational morpheme. Derivational morpheme is a morpheme that can form new words, while the meaning and class of words can change or not. Derivational morpheme is divided into two, namely derivational prefix such as impossible and derivational suffix like smartly. Inflectional morpheme. Inflectional morpheme cannot form new words. The meaning and class of the words also don't change, such as learn becomes learner and book becomes books.
Hello, I'm Amuria Iftitah from the morning class. I will explain about prefixes and suffixes. Prefixes are letters which we add to the beginning of a word to make a new word with a different meaning. Prefixes can, for example, create a new word opposite in meaning to the word the prefix is attached to. They can also make a word negative or express relations of time, place, or manner. Here are some examples. Base word possible is added to in, then it becomes the word impossible. Is the same as the base word able is added to an, so it becomes the word unable. A suffix is a group of letters placed after the root of a word. For example, the word flavorless consists of the root word flavor, combined with the suffix less, which means without the word flavorless means having no flavor. Another reason to believe that bound bases are different from prefixes and suffixes is that prefixes and suffixes tend to occur more freely than bound bases do. For example, any number of adjectives can be made negative by using the prefix an, but there are far fewer words with the bound base. This is perhaps not the best way of distinguishing between bound bases and affixes, though, as there are a few bound bases, ology is one of them, that occur with great freedom, and there are some prefixes and suffixes that don't occur all that often. Morphology is the smallest meaningful unit in language, so we must study about morphology. Because to make a good language, we must to know the one of basic thing in language.